Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze guys and you need to find your Bluetooth module, also known as OnStar or Wi-Fi module guys in your car, stay with us guys. We'll show you where it's located in case you need to replace it or remove it guys. We're going to explain what needs to be done. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful and we'll be able to save you money. If you guys need to purchase any parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get parts for a super good price guys and fast shipping as well. We'll demonstrate on 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should be the same location for the whole generation from year 2008 to year 2016 guys. So that's what we have right here now. Let me show you guys where that Bluetooth OnStar Wi-Fi module is located. It's under a few different names, but we're going to explain guys, okay, where you can find it now. You need to come to the passenger side of the vehicle. We will need to remove the glove box guys, and we have a video how to install it if you cannot install your glove box later, because that's a little bit tricky. But what do you do now? Okay, let me just get all the papers and everything out of it. Perfect. Right here, that elastic piece, okay, pull it down, push the glove box up a little bit, feed that piece through the hole. Okay, now squish here on top towards each other, pull the glove box out. Okay, you can see just stuck in that hinge right here. Perfect, you have two hinges, one here, one there, and this comes out. Now some Chevy Cruzes will have knee airbag for your feet guys right here, so you have to be extremely careful because that thing can explode. Always have the car battery disconnected when you're anywhere close to that, because that thing can kill you, so always be careful. Now looking at it now guys, okay, right there in the corner, okay, if you look, you have one module that's called LG. This is guys your Bluetooth module, also known as OnStar, or also known guys as Wi-Fi module. So how you get to it? Okay, it's not very complicated guys, and we're going to explain that today. You guys have now a few screws that you need to remove. Usually we have the video that explains everything from start to finish, but you have a screw here, one here, you have one under the airbag module guys, okay, right there in the corner, and one right here I believe. Yep, right there. So those will need to come out, so you will need to remove the airbag module guys. Check out on the channel, we'll have the video about the airbag module removal. And okay, once you pull it out, okay, let me see. Right here, we're going to pop that cap open. Okay, perfect. And we'll remove that cap as well, because here you have an extra screw hidden guys. You can see just like that. And looking through here now, okay, let me just get a little bit of light. You're going to notice now guys, okay, that we have, okay, that module actually, okay, located back there. Let me try to focus on it. Okay, camera has hard time focusing there, but you can kind of get the idea. Okay, you can see the module through here, but you need to remove, okay, all that piece, and you need to remove the airbag in order to get to it and pull everything down, and you will be able guys, okay, to remove and replace your module. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having to do that work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.